We live in an age of achievement, faster tech, stronger economies, softer beds. Everything is built to make us more productive, more comfortable, more successful. But here's the question no one wants to ask. Are we truly well? Because deep down, something feels off, like we are living in a world of polished exteriors but hollow interiors. One expert said it best. Well-being is a byproduct of how your outer world and inner world interact. You have everything: success, wealth, status, but if you're not emotionally grounded, mentally clear, and spiritually steady, you become brittle, easily shaken, prone to choices driven by stress, fear, or emptiness. In a world of endless noise and distraction, nurturing the inner world starts with quiet intention. Here are 5 simple but powerful practices. 1. Quiet time. Spend 10 to 15 minutes daily in silence or journaling. Let your mind exhale. 2. Gratitude practice. Start your morning with 3 things you are thankful for. Shift your lens. 3. Disconnect to reconnect. Step away from screens and let your thoughts wander. Imagination needs quiet. 4. Meaningful conversations. Talk deeply with people who matter. Connection builds resilience. 5. Purposeful action. Do one thing each day that connects with your values. Purpose fuels peace. The truth is, real well-being isn't built in the gym or bank. It's built in the quiet choices we make moment by moment. So here's your challenge. Let go of the constant upgrades. Reinvest your inner clarity. Strengthen your emotional roots and dare to build a life that feels as good on the inside as it looks on the outside. Because while the world will give you comfort, fulfillment is something you create from within.